Hello my friends, welcome back to my southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. It is so hot outside and I'm craving a nice cold glass of lemonade. So that's what I'm going to make, some homemade lemonade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious, and it is full of fresh lemon goodness. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It will quench up your thirst and it will keep you cool. Perfect on a hot summer day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more lemonade recipes, check out my lemonade recipes playlist and my previous video, chocolate chip muffins. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pitcher, your water, and get your lemons, juice, and sugar, because we're about to make some lemonade magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our simple syrup. On my stove top, I have my medium saucepan. My fire is on high heat. We're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of water. Give it a stir until it's well combined. So all we do now is bring it to a boil and let it boil until the sugar dissolves. Alright my friends, the water has came to a boil and all the sugar dissolved. So now I cut my fire off, and there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. A cupful, which is a teaspoon of pure lemon extract. Going to give it an extra lemon flavor. And stir it in. And our simple syrup is done. How simple and easy was that? Now I'm about to pour it into my measuring cup. You can also pour it into a bowl if you like. Now I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap. So now we are going to place the simple syrup in the refrigerator and let it chill for 2 hours. And while the simple syrup is chilling, let's juice up our lemons. On my cutting board, I have 7 large lemons. We need 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. Going to roll it up, and rolling it will give it a nice juicy lemon. Cut it in half. And we're going to squeeze it into my measuring cup and mesh strainer to catch the seeds. Alright, as soon as I get through juicing the rest of my lemons, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through juicing up my lemons, and we have exactly 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. And it smells good. Love the smell of lemon. So now our simple syrup is nice and chilled. We are ready to build the lemonade. Alright my friends, over here I have my pitcher. We're going to pour in our fresh lemon juice. Next is our cool simple syrup. And last but certainly not least, we're going to add in 7 cups of cold water. And give it a quick stir until it's well incorporated. I had some lemon slices left over, so I'm just going to add it into the lemonade. That is completely optional. And that's it my friends. Our lemonade is ready to serve. So I'm about to get my mason jars ready, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I have my mason jars right here. I filled them up with ice. So we're going to pour in some lemonade. Now we're going to garnish it with some fresh mint leaves, a lemon wedge, and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Homemade fresh lemonade. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Refreshing, crisp, has a nice sweet and tart balance. Oh, ain't nothing like homemade lemonade. This is incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Lemonade-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay cool.